Today I'm going to show you how to set up the cruise control for Ford Ecosport and the speed limiter. This is Ford Ecosport year 2021. So you see here on the left hand side of the steering, you see the button here. This is the button for speed limiter, yeah, AOIM, and then this is the button for the cruise control. Okay, now if you want to obviously set up the cruise control, you press the button here. You see, when you press the button here, you see there, this is the symbol will appear now, and once the symbol appear, you accelerate to the speed you want, and then you press the set button here. Once you press the set button, yeah, the logo will turn green. It will turn green, yeah, but obviously now I can't drive and do it in the same time, so this is how I'm going to show you here. Now if you want to increase the speed, like up and down, yeah, this is plus and sign. You just press up or down, 1 miles at a time, yeah. And if you want to cancel the cruise control, you can press this button here, or you can directly press the speed limiter button, yeah. Press, you see, when you press the speed limiter button and then it come out like that. Okay, same again, you will accelerate to the speed you wanted, and then you press the set button, yeah, down, set button, and then you see it will turn green. See that? So if you want to increase the speed here, yeah, plus and minus, see, if I increase 1, it will go up 2, 3, or if you want to decrease, it will go down like that, yeah. Just up, down, okay. Yeah, it's very simple, you know. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, yeah. Thank you so much.